my friends, and welcome back to MTD CNC North America. We are here in Mexico, and like I've said in the other videos, Viva la Mexico! I'm with my buddy Alex with Next Tech Machinery, and we're going to talk about this Chinese-made Yangli machine. Really cost competitive, and what it can do based on tube bending, which, to be fair, that is not my great area of expertise. So I'm really happy to be with Alex today and learn a bit more. Alex, thank you so much for being with MTD.
Thank you very much, Tony. Thank you for having us here with you. And Phil, I'm more than delighted to give you a more overview of this machine and the advantages that we're currently offering.
Well, yes, please. I can probably guarantee I'm not the only one that still needs to learn a lot about this tube bending. So I'm grateful to have you here. So let's learn a little bit about the industries that this machine works in, how the tube bending actually works, whatever details that you want to give us to help us understand more of how this Yangli machine is going to help benefit the Mexican market.
Well, certainly, of course. Basically, this type of machines of sheet metal bending machines, it's focused mainly for the automotive, electric industry, pharmaceutical. There's tons of trailer manufacturers that they need to bend and have different sizes or repetitively having more precision in the bending of, trying to make a part that it's been like in a continuous cycle. So this machine basically gives us or offers us the ability of having repetitively and also having the accuracy that the industry needs.
Repeatability and accuracy is incredibly important on this machine.
Correct.
And this machine can offer that at a competitive price for the people out there interested.
Exactly. And what's the reason or the main benefit that we as a company are offering our customers is that this machine is very affordable, cost effectiveness for the micro, small and medium industries or new companies or emerging companies that they want to make their new process in their factories. So basically what they want to know, what they need to know, especially right now in this current timing that the commercial agreement between Mexico, Canada, and the United States, that they need to have local manufacturing of parts, especially for the auto parts. They need to have a domestic manufacturer to be able to compete in the auto industry, for instance. So this is very small companies that are wanting to go into that specific market. They need to have a very much reliable machine that offers the quality and the repetitively that they want to, that the industry needs, of course.
And some of the advantages of having this machine nearby are obvious, but I'd like to state them anyway, and you probably know better than I do. But being able to have this here reduces the lead times. You can get it to the customer quicker. We don't have to put it on a boat and put it across one of the two ponds that are in between us on either side. And a lot of the technology and interest between US, Canada, and Mexico are similar as well. So there's a lot of those types of secrets where we honor one another, and we're finding that by working together in what's called nearshoring.
That is correct, Tony. Especially because, we as a company, we are working, of course, on having the machines always on stock to be able to supply to the new emerging companies that they need a machine in a very fast way, and they need to supply the parts to the United States very quickly. Most of the companies that we're currently working with that uses the brand of Yangli machines, they're basically customers that are mainly exporting the parts to the United States or in Canada. We have, they do parts for Tesla, or they do parts for General Electric or Whirlpool, or several other industries. So having the stock here allows us to have the machines up and running very quickly with our customers, and they can be able to manufacture their parts and to ship quickly. And that way, we make all domestic in the same North American continent.
So you and I have spoken previously, so I kind of know some of these answers, but let's just really quick go over some of the technical capabilities of the diameters that can be bent, the hardness of material, because we discussed that before, but let's let the audience know what you and I kind of already know.
Sure, no problem, Tony, of course. Let me explain to you a little bit of the technical advantages or the capacities that has this machine. So the model is a PB1032. This means that the 10 means that it has 100-ton force capability of the curtain. So it means it will apply 100 tons, and it can bend up to 8 millimeter thickness in stainless steel. And 32 means that it has 3 meters and 20 millimeters to have in length, right? So you can process sheets that are of 8 millimeters up to 8 millimeters in stainless steel, and that are 3 meters and 200 millimeters in length.
So in summary, I don't want to put my hand in there.
No, I wouldn't recommend it.
Well, if somebody wants to know more about this Chinese Yangli machine, where can they find out more? Websites or emails or anything that you'd like to share with the global audience?
Yes, of course. Please visit us in our website, which is nexttechmachinery.com. That's basically, it's a very simple website, or in the other websites from Grupo High Tech.
Awesome. Well, guys, this is Next Tech Machinery. This is my friend Alex. This is the Yangli machine. If you're into bending in any format, give my friend Alex a call. And thank you all for watching MTD. Alex, thank you for being a part of MTD.
Thank you very much, Tony. Thank you very much to all of your audience.